We've all seen skylights. Whether it's in our homes, shopping malls, or anywhere else, we've all seen them. But skylights do more than just look pretty. Here are 7 reasons why you should have skylights installed in your building. Let's dive right in. One of the most positive aspects of having a skylight is that it brings extra daylight into a room. Particularly during the winter months when days are shorter, there are fewer hours of sunlight. But because of the extra natural light, skylights reduce the use of lighting and electricity. Skylights can contribute to the heat gain of space and reduce the need for heating. Additionally, cross-ventilation can cool spaces down. And each can cut down on your energy costs. Skylights direct more transmitted light to the space without glare, hot spots, or UV damage to merchandise or furnishings. Additionally, you can add skylight tinting for further UV protection. Studies have shown that getting at least 10 minutes of sunlight in a day can have many beneficial effects. Lower blood pressure, decreased stress levels, and motivation enhancement are just a few of them. By bringing in more light into your immediate environment, you create a more positive space for yourself. Let's face it, we all love vitamin D. Cosmetic changes like skylights can give certain spaces an attractive, natural light atmosphere. Savings can range from approximately 50 cents per square foot to 75 cents per square foot, based on the building type, location, operation, and local cost of energy. Providing a good return on investment for your skylights. California's Title 24 Energy Code encourages daylighting controls. By installing a skylight, you can help reduce the need to depend on electrical lighting and enjoy this natural alternative. Trade all that in for the unlimited resource that is solar energy, and try going green instead. The bottom line is, the benefits of perfectly installed skylights are well worth the investment, as you bask in the sunlight, enjoy higher productivity, and are in a better mood. And there you have it. The 7 reasons why you should install skylights in your building. Are there any other reasons why you should install a skylight? How about the cons of installing a skylight? Make sure to comment below. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and for even more exclusive content make sure to follow our Facebook page. Take care.